Hi, I'm Jerry with atbbq.com, and today we're cooking on the 60-inch El Dorado from Yoder Smokers. If you're already familiar with the 36-inch and the 42-inch El Dorados from Yoder Smokers, then you'll notice that the 60-inch El Dorado is the same DNA, but a bigger platform. That's more fire, more ways to cook. This grill is built for large format cooking, whole animal cooking, as well as big entertainment. Things that other grills can do, but not at this volume. What changes with the 60-inch El Dorado is that we now have a whole lot more space to work with. Grilling, roasting, hanging proteins directly over the fire, cooking in the embers with things like a Dutch oven. They used to compete for space, but now they don't have to. We can do it all at the same time. Let's talk about how we've got this grill set up today. This is one of my favorite ways to cook, where I can cook everything all at once. I've got the bracero in the center for my high heat searing on my steaks and such. I've got coals moving over this way for a high heat grilling area for all of my vegetables, my chicken, my potatoes in cast iron. And then I have embers moved over here so I can cook foil pouches down in them. And I have a Dutch oven with a little peach cobbler in it right there. And then up here we have our safe zone, where as vegetables or meats get done, they come over here to rest and stay warm while everything else cooks. The Firebrick-lined firebox is a cooking floor. It absorbs, stores, and radiates heat, making it an active part of your cook. This allows you to create independent heat zones. So you're no longer managing one temperature at the grate. You're actually managing a fire landscape both above the grate and below. And with up to 15 inches of vertical movement, you can get your food down close to the fire for a more direct cook, or higher above for an indirect cook. You also have two options for grates. You have the 12 gauge heavy duty steel V grate that rolls grease down into the grease trap. This is your more asado style cooking, but we also have a 304 stainless rolling bar grate. This allows better airflow, and you get up to 30% more heat retention because these are not welded in. This is wireless grilling at its best. You've got 60 inches of space, multiple cooking zones, a lot of different cooking styles going on at the same time. If you'd like to learn more about the 60-inch El Dorado, you can find it at atbbq.com and leave a question in the comments. We actually read them. We'll see you next time. Now go start a fire and start cooking.